Okay, next one up is this Beta Enduro bike. This is a 394 stroke. This is up for one of our full Monty valets. I was told it was mint, but I guess my idea of mint and other people's ideas of mint is a little bit different. It's been cleaned with something previously that's discolored those wheels, so I'm going to do what I can with those. Get this exhaust all polished up, looking a little manky. Get it looking like it should. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for a 4-stroke 390 Beta, hit me up and I will put you in touch with this fella. But first step is to get it looking a little better. See if we can get it looking like it should. Get some corrosion protection on it. I believe all the suspension's been reworked on this. Got a cush drive rear sprocket. So yeah, let's get it washed, get some snow foam on it, and then we'll crack on with some detailing. There you go. This Beta 390 4-stroke Enduro bike has now been fully trotted. What a transformation. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets. Lots of extra work on this. That exhaust was pretty minging, now coming up like new. All those wheels were all battle scarred up and quite faded, so those have all been attended to. All the engine has been meticulously cleaned, all the exhaust, every single spoke. I said those wheels have come up a treat. Doesn't even look like it's been off-road. All up underneath. Chains all been serviced. Mirror polished up the side stand, footrest. Look at that. They don't even have any marks on them. Everything's been covered with XCP afterwards. So ready to go. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for a 4-stroke Beta 390? I think it's got 1,000 miles on it. Hit me up. I'll put you in touch with the fella. Now looking like it should. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.